Tucked away in the heart of southern Luxembourg, surrounded by greenery and silence stands Sanem Castle, a hidden gem on the road of history. Its story begins in the 13th century, when a simple wooden fortress once stood here, guarding the land in a time of feudal conflict. By the 15th century, it was rebuilt in stone, with solid walls, defensive towers, and a moat to protect its residents. But history tested it. In 1550, the castle was ravaged by fire, only to rise again, this time in a more refined style. What you see today is a blend of medieval strength and Renaissance elegance, with round towers, arched windows, and the charm of a noble estate. For centuries, it passed from one aristocratic family to another, the lords of Sanem, the Criange, the Marchant, and the Ansemberg. Each added their touch, shaping the castle's architecture and legacy.
Do we fall, or do we fade into nothing at all? The echoes of your voice remain, like whispers carved into the rain. We wrote our names in silver skies, but even stars can say.
Though it may not appear grand at first glance, Sanem Castle carries the soul of the past, silent, enduring, and full of forgotten stories waiting to be discovered. If you listen closely, you might just hear the echoes of centuries gone by.
Or a love story already dead. Tell me how the story ends. Are we lovers? Are we friends? Do we fight? Do we fall? Or do we fade into nothing at all? If I could rewrite the final scene, would you still be here with me? Or is our fate already sealed? A love we lost but never healed. Tell me how the story ends. Are we lovers? Are we friends? Do we fight? Do we fall? Or do we fade into nothing at all? Close the book.